Alright guys, so I just left CVS. I was hoping to find some, you know, some of the new Wet n Wild stuff. I was really hoping to find something because I saw that Emily Noel found some really good new Wet n Wild palettes and some of the new lipsticks. So I was really hoping I could find some. But of course I can't. My Walgreens is super small, so I'm kind of not surprised that there wasn't anything. Like, it almost didn't shock me to see that it didn't have anything. Like, I was kind of expecting that to be the way it's supposed to be. But, you know, I'd have a little bit of hope, you know, hoping that I would find something good. So it's currently 25 degrees. For some people that is super cold and they don't expect that to happen, for it to get that cold, but it's very, very cold. I have my winter jacket on, which I don't think I did last year. I think I did a little bit, but not too much. Only when I knew I was going to be going outside for long periods of time. So I do have some ideas of what I want to go and do for Vlogmas. Some of them just seem so nonchalant and non-Christmas related, and I guess, you know, that's just kind of how I want to do it. More like behind the scenes kind of thing, you know. A relaxation than, you know, taking a full month break of like uploading beauty videos. It's like kind of how I'm seeing it, as well as showing you guys behind the scenes and just what I do in my daily life besides cleaning. Well, I'll show you guys cleaning and stuff and products like that, but besides cleaning and taking care of my animals, you know, my cat minions, I should say. So I'm gonna go and give you guys some ideas that I have. Like, I'm not gonna go and give everything, because then what's the point of watching my Vlogmas if you know the ideas? But I wanted to go and do like a DIY Christmas Starbucks drink, like trying that out, like a Christmassy kind of drink, or doing like a DIY of my favorite Starbucks drink. I think that would be super cute, especially for the holidays. I'd also like to do maybe like try a new recipe. It doesn't have to be like, you know, Christmas recipe. It just needs to be like a new recipe, something I find on Pinterest, whether it's lunch or whether it's dinner time, and just see what we think of it. That's just kind of where my brain is at, and, you know, just doing some new things, kind of vloggy things, but like trying to put a Christmas spin on it. I'd also like to do like a morning routine. You know, what do I like to do in the morning on the weekends when I don't work? And I guess this can be Vlogmas #1, drive with me, rehashing ideas. Alright guys, so it's me. I'm just going to be doing another drive with me. Obviously, as you can see, I'm driving. So, pretty much, I'm just going to be going to the next town or two over. So, I'm on the hunt right now for the new Wet n Wild stuff. I saw Emily Noel talking about how she found some in her Walgreens, but my Walgreens in this town is like, it's no good. Okay, so I'm going to be traveling to the next town over to go and see what their Walgreens looks like. I really hope that I can find it, because I'm on such a hunt for it, and I don't really want to be driving all over the place or have to order online. That's like, I guess if it comes down to it, I will, but I really don't want to. Also going to Walmart to go and find some Christmas tree ornaments, like some small ones. Hopefully in the color that we want. I'm hoping for red and silver, but if not, well, I guess I'll make do with whatever. Our tree is a black tree. No, it's obviously fake, but it's a black Christmas tree. It's about maybe a little bit smaller than my height, which I'm only 4'9", so that's not very big. I wanted a real tree, but I got 4 cats, I have a dog. I know that if we had it in the front room, he would think it's a potty, and I'm not about that. But it's Vlogmas Day 2. Yesterday was like a very uneventful day, you know. I was talking to my husband, and I'm trying to get him involved with it. He's kind of on board, you know. I think he'll like kind of get camera shy. He wants a couple practice runs and stuff like that. But I told him, I'm like, you know, Cody, you can just record me, okay? You can record me, and I can talk to you like that. That way, maybe you can get warmed up with talking to me on camera, and maybe, you know, maybe he'll show his face. I'm hoping so, because I want us to both decorate the Christmas tree. So I'm on the hunt right now for the Wet n Wild new collection, or not new collection, but new stuff they're adding to their permanent line, I think is what it is. I wanted to go and find that today. My Walgreens in my town doesn't have it, so I'm going to the next town over to see if they do. Also going to go and find some Christmas ornaments for my tree. Our tree is very, very small. There's no need to get some really big ornaments. It doesn't make any sense, and it's a fake tree. I'm hoping that they have really pretty red or silver ornaments, like itty bitty ones, but I don't think so. I don't think I saw them when I went to Walmart, and now that it's December, I'm sure everyone's buying ornaments. We have a fake tree. It's like the second smallest, I think it's either first or the second smallest, no, it's the second smallest size that you can get as a fake tree, besides one that you can put on your Christmas table, on your table. It's a black tree. I figured that fits me and Cody very well. I'm not going to give any house tours. He wants to keep that stuff a little bit private. What you see is what you see, is pretty much how it is. House isn't anything extravagant. Nothing compared to all those beauty YouTubers or nothing like that. Mine's just very plain, basic house. You know, it's a good starter home is what it is. As part of my Vlogmas, like, I'll still do beauty videos, but include it in my, like, not do it as like beauty video, stereotypical, sit down and blah blah blah. Like, I'd like to do like more of a Vlogmas style, like, just, I don't know. That's kind of like, if I want to do beauty videos, just do it like that. Almost 40 degrees. It's like 39, pretty much 40. They're predicting some rain, I think, later on tonight, which I think if it's raining or anything, I don't know, I think it would be so relaxing to just go and sit in front of the window, or just have like a little cozy time, just nestle up to my pets and just talk to you guys in like a onesie. Like, that's kind of how I'm feeling for tonight. But that may not turn out the way it's going to be. Like, maybe I'll go and brew up some Ticino and do that instead of having like coffee at like late o'clock at night, you know. Is there any makeup items that you guys are just kind of sick of seeing? Like highlighters. I'm kind of sick of seeing the rainbow stuff. I'm over it. Like, it needs to go away. I never showed you what I got on my trip, but so I grabbed a L'Oreal dark brunette brow that lasts. Unbelievable brow. I'm going to be doing a test on it sometime. These are the little lights that I got. I got these in red. I think they're super cute, honestly. So cute. Oh, and I think paired together would be super cute for our tree. Since our tree is black, I thought that would be super cute. Oh, and this is like behind the scenes of my video room. So I also got these weird hair ties. They look like little coils. It's hard to like, there you go. They look like little coils or a phone thing. I'm gonna be wearing them today and seeing how it is. So I'm gonna just leave those out right now. I also grabbed an EOS lip balm because I realized how much I need one, like really bad. My lips have been getting more and more chapped over the course of time, so definitely need it. I also got this bronzer right here. It may be too orange. I'm not sure. When I swatched it, it looked a little orange, but I'll make it work because my other bronzer busted and I don't have anything to press it with. I also got the Morphe 9N. This is what the palette looks like. It's hard to, there you go. That's what the palette looks like right there. I got this Equate Complete 10 Leave-In Conditioner Spray. It's supposed to be compared to It's a 10 Miracle Leave-In products, so I'm kind of excited to use this, especially since it was half the price. So you'll see. But this is end of Vlogmas Day 2, so that is a wrap.